So, let's chat about young Bulls hooker Jan-Hendrik Wessels' 9-game ban. In the heat of a ruck, where grown men are basically hugging each other in a pile, he allegedly pulled a move that, let's just say, falls under the category of illegal possession. The disciplinary panel cited a law which states that a player must not do anything that is against the spirit of good sportsmanship. This includes grabbing, twisting, or squeezing the genitals. But I say allegedly because no conclusive video evidence was found. The TMO looked, CSI style, the ref looked, and everyone said, no conclusive evidence. Even the cameras were like, nah fam, I didn't see a thing. Not a pixel. Not even a shadow. Nothing. It's like trying to find Eskom power during load shedding. But the disciplinary panel said, nah, he was definitely preoccupied with the opposition's package. Listen man, if you're going to get banned for this long, at least make the video evidence worthy of a viral TikTok. And the opponent? He throws a punch, a clear, on-camera clap, like proper Mayweather behavior. My man swinging fists like he's in Rocky 5 and his red card is rescinded. Bro punched him like he was swatting a mosquito, and the panel went, no problem, we only punish the invisible crimes here. This is the new rule for South African rugby, it seems. You are guilty until proven innocent, especially if the video evidence is playing hard to get. So let's recap. No clear footage, one oak punched, the other oak allegedly grabbed something, and somehow the only one banned is the one who might not have done anything. I don't know, eh? Maybe the panel took Wessel's position of playing hooker too literally. My brew, this is less rugby, more days of our scrums.